Hi, I'm Wade, and I'm really looking forward to seeing you tomorrow for our session. One of the things that we're going to do is use a technique called subconscious thinking. And if you've used it before, what you'll know is it's basically a technique for thinking that, as the name suggests, involves your subconscious. And it means that you have a challenge that you're letting your brain deal with, not your conscious mind. So how it's going to work is I'm going to outline a bit of a challenge for you. I want you to watch this video again just before you go to sleep tonight. If possible, make it the last thing you do as you're lying in bed. If not, pretty close to bedtime will be fine. So here's what the challenge is going to be. I want you to get ready to go to bed, and I want you to have a think about this. I want you to imagine that you're in charge of naming and positioning a new product. Now, what the product is up to you. To be honest, it doesn't really matter. If it helps you to think of an actual product in your thinking, then think of something probably more in the tech space, like a new app or a new web-based game or a new website. But what's the most important thing you can think about is I want you to think about what it's like to be competing against an established player. And the challenge that you've got is that no one sees the need to change from that established player. Because what they're doing right now with that established player works really effectively. So the products that they already have available, they're totally fine, don't see a need to change. And it's always the way everyone's done it. So what you need to do is you need to think about your product, and you need to think about how your product will change the way things can be done for the better. Now, you know that to be true. What your product is will be better, and everyone you talk to about your product actually agrees with you. So once you have a conversation, you say, look, this product will be better. They go, yes, I agree with you. So here's where your subconscious mind kicks in. So this is the question that you should leave your brain to think about while you're sleeping tonight, and it's this. What's one argument that you can use to describe why your product is better? What is it you need to say to convince people that the old way is just that, the old way, and your new way is better? So I'll just say it again. What's one argument, just one, that you can use to describe why your product is better? And it doesn't matter what your subconscious mind comes up with. So give that to your subconscious mind, go to sleep. When you wake up tomorrow morning, and before the session obviously, write down the first thing that comes into your head. Now, this could be completely random. You might come up with the word bananas and you don't know why you come up with bananas. It's totally fine. What's really important is to capture what your subconscious mind is telling you, not analyse it. Don't think, oh, that sounds stupid or that sounds wrong. Give me, tomorrow at the session, whatever the first thing your subconscious mind tells you when you wake up tomorrow morning. So once again, here it is, subconscious mind question. What's one argument that you can use to describe why your product or your way of working is better? And I'll look forward to seeing you tomorrow.